Listen, for the 30th time, we got to talk about these things. I can't have you just rolling your eyes at us. All right.
Do we think if your starts are not dialed over and over that maybe you want to try a different location on the gate, or you're just happy with being down there?
The gate drops and I don't go.
Yeah, that was clear to see.
Still came out pretty good though, like you'd sneak through there.
He did sneak in. He got some.
Hey,
Hey, where are you going? Hey. That's the giveaway bike. Giveaway bike. Yeah, what the f? Come on.
Like that MotoSport bike they're gonna give away.
That is the MotoSport bike. Why is he riding it? Come
Why
on.
is he riding it?
Hey, we're supposed to put that back in the shop.
Get off that
You guys
thing.
aren't supposed to be riding that thing.
That's the giveaway bike.
giveaway
Come
bike.
on. Get off of that thing.
Go.
Damn old man. Old man.
Enter to win at MotoSport.com/win.